New to the evaluation system this year is the summary rating form, although this is not new to the McREL evaluation system. The summary rating form is designed to collect ratings from over the course of the school year and combine them into a single form. The form that you'll use this year is similar, but not the same to the form that you see here on your screen. This is an example from a probationary teacher where they would have had 3 observations over the course of the year. So in this example, under the component content, and in this element, these scores would be pre-populated from the course of the year. This will allow a principal or supervisor to quickly see the highest score that the staff member received over the course of the year and mark them in this category. This is also an opportunity that if the staff member has artifacts they want to bring in that support a higher score, this would be an opportunity for them to do that at the summary conference. You can see this form continues down through all of the elements of the evaluation system. So again, just a reminder, the score that a staff member will have on a summary rating form is the highest of the scores they've received over the course of the year, and may be higher than one that was observed if there are artifacts to support a higher score.